The goal of this activity is to really work the legs. Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna need a bar or your kitchen sink and a box. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna grip onto the bar like so. You wanna be right up against the box, folks. And what I want you to do is you're gonna start with a slight knee bend. You wanna push your hips back ever so slightly. Not like way like this, or you don't wanna fold forward at the waist. It's slightly pushing the hips back. From here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna do a subtle hip tuck. Exhale the lower rib cage. From here, I want you to think about pushing your knees forward. You're gonna stop down to the box, completely rest on the box, and then return to the start position, making sure as you come up, you don't arch your back like that. You wanna keep the tuck. Think about scooping your hips on the way up. So I'm hinged, tuck, exhale on the up. I'm not even finishing all the way. Inhale down, exhale up. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.